Today we're featuring a 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. It's got 36,000 miles on it. It's granite metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's got that 5.7 liter Hemi engine in it. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Nice chrome mirror caps and door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle look really good. Nice chrome bumper. It's the Big Horn, Big Horn edition. Got your tow package and trailer plug in there. The dual exhaust. Right, nice Dodge Ram bed liner in there. Bed liner's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Alright, it looks really good too. The vehicle's been well taken care of. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Got the two-tone door panels, power locks, power windows. Titanium cloth seating, powered driver's seat. Right, driver's seat's in good shape. All right, it's got the 40-20-40 front bench. Passenger seat looks really good. Okay, does come with keyless entry key fob. Alright, I'm going to open up this console for you, and this is where you'll find your USB port, power outlet, and auxiliary outlet there. Alright, and this simply just lifts up, and that's what makes the bench seating there. Alright, it is a two-wheel drive. Okay, it's your climate control area, plug in there, AM, FM, XM radio. Alright, it does have the power rear window. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, with your you got to change the gears here from the steering wheel, really cool feature. Bluetooth and steering wheel audio. Let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at your climate control area again and your radio. Let's see, is it equipped with backup camera? I do not think so. Yeah, there's no backup camera. Okay, you just have your touch screen, AM, FM radio, XM. Let's go ahead and check out your mileage. It's got 37,025 miles on it. All right, we've had the air conditioner running now for about 10 minutes, everything blowing cold there. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, once again, it's a 2016. It's got 36,000 miles on it. Alright, this thing's been well taken care of. It's in really good shape. Go ahead and give you another shot from the passenger side, the back seat, just to give you another perspective. All right, the cloth in this vehicle's in good shape. No issues at all. Passenger seat looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. We got the 20-inch chrome clad aluminum. It's kind of got this chrome shell or chrome hubcap on it. Goodyear tires. All right, brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Dodge Ram SLT. It's a two-wheel drive. All right, it's got 36,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive. And thanks for watching the video.